Cutting board in this class, and this is like the pretty final stage of cutting an angle, so I can hold the cutting board.
So I had a grapefruit tree in my backyard which I chopped down, and I'm using the trunk of it to make a giant wooden bowl. And what you do is you put rice in the bowl, and then you get these giant hammers and you pound the rice and you make what's called mochi. It's a Japanese kind of like dessert.
Cut off part of the tree, cut off part of the tree, and then cut off the edges until it's approximately round. Then we attach it to this gigantic machine that will spin it while we try to make it round. Start on this end, making very slight cuts. Small increments until this becomes completely round, and we'll make a cylinder.
It's a floating bedside table. Floating because this is going to be attached to the wall, and it's going to pleat right there, and it's just going to stay there. So there's really not much assembly needed besides nailing it to the wall afterwards. So it's going